My name is Sarah McMullen, and this is my exam 4-2 for Genetics 311 on developmental networks using the Maze Runner. This is the Maze Runner developmental network. Whether the Griever gene is transcribed or not determines if the gladers are able to survive and leave the maze. If the Griever gene is not transcribed, then the gladers can escape the maze. But if the Griever gene is transcribed, then they don't escape and are killed. The Thomas gene represses the Griever gene, allowing the gladers to escape the maze. The Thomas gene is activated by the Minho gene, but the Minho gene is repressed by the Gali gene. The Newt gene represses the Gali gene so that in the normal network, Newt represses Gali, who is then unable to repress Minho, allowing Minho to activate Thomas, who then represses the Grievers, allowing the gladers to escape the maze and live. So, what would happen if some of these genes were absent? If the Gali gene was absent. If Gali was absent, the gladers would still be able to escape the maze. This is because without Gali, Minho won't be repressed, and will be able to activate Thomas, who can then repress the Grievers. And the gladers get to escape the maze. Now, if the Newt gene was absent, the gladers would not be able to escape the maze, because Newt is unable to repress Gali. The new network would then be Gali repressing Minho, who then cannot activate Thomas, and then Thomas cannot repress the Griever. So the Grievers stop the gladers from escaping the maze. Now, if the Newt gene and the Gali gene were absent, the gladers would still be able to escape the maze. This is because Minho wouldn't have to worry about being repressed and would be able to activate Thomas, who then represses the Grievers, allowing the gladers to escape the maze. But if the Gali gene and the Minho gene were absent, the gladers would not escape. This is because Minho needs to activate the Thomas gene in order for the Thomas gene to then repress the Griever gene. Without the Minho gene, the Thomas gene will never be activated, and therefore the Griever gene will not be repressed, allowing the Grievers to keep the gladers from escaping the maze. And this is the Maze Runner developmental network. For more information on developmental networks, look into Dr. Halwig's Exam 4 slides, and the photos used can be found at these websites listed here. Thanks for watching.